In this video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall SolidWorks student version. So in order to do that, we have in here our actual SolidWorks and you can see it right here. So we have in here this documentation for removing a specific installation. So it can be any license that we need for this case. Now, the first thing you need to make sure is that there's no SolidWorks sessions that are active. So make sure to turn them off or close them. Now, if you want to move the SolidWorks license to another computer, deactivate the license before removing SolidWorks installation on this computer first. Then open the Windows Control Panel, click on the Programs and Feature, and then select the product component to remove and click on the Uninstall option. Now, on the uninstall screen, select the products that you want to remove. By default, all product components are selected, so make sure to select all of or everything that you want. Now clear the products that you not want to remove and click Change in Advanced option, and from in there you can see the program files and folder option selected. Select one or more options to perform custom uninstall, back to summary and then expand it and then click on remove items. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.